hands 3 times. Step 2. Wash your nose and mouth 3 times. Step 3. Wash your face 3 times. Step 4. Wash your both arms, right and left. Step 5. Wipe your head and clean your hairs. Step 6. Wash your both feet, right and left, 3 times. Alhamdulillah, my wudu is complete. Now I am ready for Salah. Hello friends, if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe and comment my channel.